Hello everyone. So I recently acquired three new phones in my collection today on the 3rd of March 2022. Now these two I've already done the ringtones video of, but it's this one that I'm more concerned with because first of all the slider is just so stiff, but a bigger issue is that the speaker on this phone is broken. Like nothing's playing. Absolutely nothing. So you can see I'm going through the ringtones and it is set, the volume is set to 7. But yeah, it's just, the speaker's broken on this. If I open up the test thing, oh look, it doesn't even work. Wait, hold on. Let me try that again. Yeah. It says, and where's the more, go to Java World. Well, yeah, there's no games on it. All the games have been deleted off this phone for some reason. So yeah, this phone has got several issues with it. But hey, at least I have another Samsung E250. This one is T-Mobile, and this one fully works as far as I'm aware. So yeah, so just something I wanted to point out about this phone.